Everyone, very good afternoon to you. Welcome to Unified Study. How are you all? Very good afternoon. So initially I thought that yes, I will take 30-minute session, but after that I planned that no, not 30 minutes. Let's try to complete all these questions. How many questions are there? As much as possible as a marathon, because MPSET exam is there. This is the question paper 2022-2023, means last examination, whatever examination in SET. That question paper we are going to discuss here. 2024, you have exam 2025 actually. It is on 2024 exam to 15th December, right? 15th December you have exam, MPSET. And this questions not only beneficial for MPSET, it will be beneficial for everyone. It is not only for MPSET, it is beneficial for everyone. This is the first question in front of you. As you can see that here it is asking you the exclusive. I hope I am audible, visible. Audio, video clear? Just let me know. Sometimes audio is getting down. Is that clear or not? Sometimes it is happening that audio is getting down. I hope fine. Okay. Chalo. Here, this is the first question, as you can see in front of you. Yeah. So these MPSET questions are helpful for everyone. What will be the answer? Tell me and inform your friend that class started so that they can also join. The answer is coming. I can see that. Very good everyone. Very good. Here you can see exactly one of the P and Q are true. So can you tell me what that is? P XOR Q. P XOR Q means what? P XOR Q means what? Ki P Q 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So here I am getting 1, here I am getting 1. Other than that, this one I am getting 0. So exactly any one of them is 1, then only we are getting 1 here. That's why option C is the correct answer. Here again you can see another question. Yes, very good. Now here you can see another question from the logical equivalent. This is also propositional logic question. Just last class I have taken for propositional logic. That was UGC NET previous year's question. Right? As you can see, each and every exam they are asking this question. They are asking propositional logic question. It is important for everyone. Yes. Answer quickly. Answer. I am not getting confused. Such answer is coming. Option B is the correct answer. Very good. I am getting answer. Option B is the correct answer. Those who are telling option D, they are wrong. Here, it is equivalent to what? P. Here you are getting, or not P or Q. So now I can write like this way, right? Or not P and Q means, can I write like this way? Not P, negation P, and the and is changing because what will happen? Not negation or P means using distributive law. Can I write it or not? Using distributive law, can I write it? Yes or no? P, here negation is outside and after that or, means if you are converting in Boolean algebra format, then it will be easy for you to understand. It is actually P plus P bar dot Q, right? And outside there is a whole bar. Now it is easy for you. This is using De Morgan's law. If you are trying to solve using De Morgan's law, then it is easy. Using De Morgan's law, we can do it D bar dot P bar dot Q whole bar, like that. So again P bar dot, again using De Morgan's law, we can write it P double bar plus Q bar. Now you can multiply it. This is actually P bar dot P, because P double bar means P, plus P bar dot Q bar. So P bar plus P is Z. P bar plus P is what? 0. And finally you are getting P bar dot Q bar. Means you are getting answer P bar Q bar. P bar Q bar means what? P bar dot Q bar means negation P and negation Q. That's why you are getting this answer. Always, if you are getting confused in this format, because we are not habituated with this format, always try to convert in digital logic format, Boolean algebra format. And using Boolean algebra, De Morgan's law, we know that ki A dot B bar equals to A bar plus B bar we can write. And even also A plus B whole bar also we can write A bar dot B bar. This is the De Morgan's law. So I applied here this De Morgan's law. Using De Morgan's law, it is easy, and after that you can do the answer, right? Those who was telling option D, that is wrong. Option B is correct answer, right? Yes. Now tell me, what is the answer for this? Thank you, Jyoti. Thank you. Try to inform your friends that those who are preparing for West Bengal SET, those who are preparing for MP SET, for everyone, upcoming UGC NET, TN SET, whatever you are preparing, this is ultimately helpful for you. Now the set A and B, A minus B is equals to which of the following? The answer is coming. This is definitely, when I am doing A minus B, how to understand? It is your A, this is your B. I am doing A minus B. A minus B means A minus the common part between them. I will take A, always A minus B means I will take A minus the common part. So actually I will eliminate this part. I have to take only this green part. Only this part is called A minus B. So it is actually what? This is actually A intersection B complement. What is the meaning of A intersection B complement? Because actually this one I am doing this common part, means this common part is B. So B complement. B complement means not B. A but not B. You have to think like this. It is A minus the common part between them. So it is A but not B. A but not B means A intersection B. If I am taking one example like set A is 1, 2, 3 and set B is maybe 2, 3 or 2, 4. 2, 4. Then A minus B equals to actually 1, 3. Because in between them 2 is common. So what I am taking A but not B. That is A minus B. Means A intersection B complement. Very much conceptual. Option A is the correct answer. Conceptually you need to understand, although by looking questions are easy, but you have to understand it properly, then only you can do it. Here this is the question. Acha, math question. I am coming back again. If I am doing so many math, maybe some of the students will be, oh no, I don't want to do math, because sometimes students are getting bored with math. So I will come back to math after doing some theory question. That will be, I think, good for you, because yes, because math sometimes students are getting little bit problem. Yes. So here do it. Now do this. Which of the following gate is also known as inverter? These are actually unit wise. One by one it was given. This was unit 1. Now I came to unit 2. Let's do some selective question from different unit. After that, if you are there, then I will come back again. So which of the logic gate is also known as inverter? Very easy, simple question, not gate, definitely very simple question. Now tell me the number of input to an n to 1 multiplexer given by n to 1 multiplexer. How many input will be given? This is actually, question is little bit wrong. I should say question is little bit wrong. Actually, this should be in different way. Yes, here actually, why this is I wrote doubtful, because number of input not, it will be number of select line. It should be number of select line. Because multiplexer, if I am doing n cross 1 multiplexer, then n number of input, 1 number of output will be there. But number of select line, how many select line will be there? So select line, whatever select line you are doing, it is doubtful. Actually, it is given 2 to the power n. So number of select line, if it is 2, then number of input will be 2 to the power n. Okay. So here actually answer should be n. Number of input will be n only. But in the official answer key, they gave 2 to the power n. The answer and question both are confusing. Because when just I am taking a maybe 4 cross 1 multiplexer. So 4 cross 1 multiplexer means there will be 4 input. Number of input line will be 4. Number of output line will be 1. And number of select line will be 2. Because how many combination you are able to create, that is according to number of select line. So whatever select line is there, 2 to the power n equals to number of input. We are telling m cross n. So m number of input means there will be number of select line n, 2 to the power n equals to m. In official answer key this is given, but this is doubtful, and that is ultimate concept is this one. Remember the concept. If I have to do 8 cross 1 multiplexer means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 input lines will be there. Select line will be 3. 3 select line will be there, because 2 to the power 3 I can create 8 input combination. This is the meaning. So input should be n, 2 to the power n, that is means it will be number of select line. If it is that, then input line, then answer will be 2 to the power n. Yes. Now tell me what is the answer for this one. The technology is used to fabricate the integrated circuit is called what? Yes, here these are called static type question, direct static VLSI, very large scale integration. Remember it. It is easy. Direct question. Which error detection code is based on polynomial division? Polynomial division. Parity check, checksum, CRC, Hamming code. These are called static questions. From these static questions, nowadays this type of static one-liner questions are very common, and it is trending like that. They are asking very much so many direct questions. Yes, CRC we are using polynomial, right? CRC is a very important topic. From here detailed questions also coming. CRC we are using polynomial division because we are taking expression, divide by another expression. This is the way we are doing. Now tell me the hexadecimal number E5 in decimal. Hexadecimal number E5 in decimal you have to convert. Then what will be the answer? Number system is also most important topic. In each and every exam you are getting number system question, but most of the time students are doing mistake here also. Answer. I hope you all have taken lunch. That's why I am little bit delayed. Previously, initially I thought that okay, 1:30 I will take class, 1:30 to 2. After that I will take lunch. But I was feeling hungry. I thought no, let's complete the lunch so that till 4 I can take class. If you are with me, then I can continue the class till 4. My daughter will come. Yes, 229 will be the answer. Because E means what? A means 10, B means 11, C means 12, D means 13, E means 14. Right? Yes. So here what you have to do, this is 14 and this is 5. Now here I have to, this is a hexadecimal number, means I have to multiply with 16. And this one also I have to multiply with 16 to the power 0 to the power 1. 14 multiply into 16 plus 5 multiply into 16. So it is actually you have to do 14 multiply into 16 plus 5. Because 5 plus 16 to the power 0 is 1. No, don't do that. It is, don't convert in binary. Directly you can convert in this. Now you can see here I am telling you a trick. Don't waste your time to multiply this. Most of the students, 90% of the students will waste their time to multiply this one. But I am telling you no need to multiply this one. Without multiplying this one also you can do the answer. Why? Because I can tell you 6 4s are 24. So last digit will be 4. And here it will be 5. Definitely last digit will be 9. Last digit will be definitely 9. Here only one option is there where last digit is 9. This is not my answer. This is not my answer. This is not my answer. Okay. So always 1 second also important. Remember in exam hall. Each and every second is important. Unnecessary. Don't waste your time to do this multiplication. Always apply your trick. It is definitely 24. So 4 is my answer. Last bit will be 9. This is my answer. Got it? Yes. Now tell me. Ma'am, what would be the syllabus for assistant manager? I don't have that idea. I have to check. IT section. Normally core subjects are always there, Akash. Normally everywhere if it is IT manager, then definitely I can say operating system, DBMS, data structure algorithm, networking. These subjects will be always there in any exam. And for IT officer, so definitely these subjects will be there. Try to focus on this subject. After that you can check. But these core subjects are always important. Okay. Which of the register is responsible for temporarily storing the result in arithmetic and logic operation, that is accumulator? In accumulator, ultimately you are storing always all the operations, right? Yes. Now tell me, what is the answer for this one? CPI recently become more important preference metric than the clock cycle rate for the processor performance index because what? Why? Yes. What is CPI? Do you know what is CPI? Do you know what is CPI? Anyone can tell me what is CPI? Who can tell me? What is CPI? What is the full form of CPI? CPI is cycle per instruction. Cycle per instruction. Okay. What is cycle per instruction? Cycle per, clock per index not. It is actually previously clock cycle rate we are doing, but CPI stands for cycle per instruction, which is the computer science metric that measure the average number of clock. It is measuring the average number of clock. Okay, average number of clock cycle required to execute a single instruction. Previously it was happening, but per clock cycle I was doing, but nowadays we will focus on that cycle per instruction, means per instruction what is the average clock cycle needed, that is called CPI. Okay, it is also known as clock cycle per instruction or clock per instruction. Clock cycle per instruction or clock per instruction. That's why increasing processor clock cycle rate is almost reaching the physical limit. That's why it is nowadays more importance, that is cycle per instruction. Okay. Okay. Clock cycle rate, rather than that we are giving this more importance. Clock cycle, तो each and every unit wise we are doing clock cycle, right? Each and every unit wise, previously this type of clock cycle it was going on, but nowadays we are doing average per instruction. This is clock cycle, I told already. Now tell me, the instruction format in microprogram control is usually determined by what? Yes. Here it is usually determined by instruction set architecture. Micro instruction format instruction set. 0 address instruction, 1 address instruction, 2 address instruction, 3 address instruction. At a time how many address you are using, that is instruction set. So usually we are determining by this. Now tell me, which of the following statement accurately describe the DMA in computer system? DMA, very important. Always DMA questions are coming, always. Computer architecture is a subject from where this type of questions are theory, direct statement type questions are very popular. multiple time they are asking question. Maybe it is hiding behind me little bit, so you can see that. Yes, DMA, most important topic. Yeah, you are getting answer. Good. DMA allow the peripheral device to transfer the data directly to the memory. Direct access. Bypass. It is bypassing the CPU, right? It is DMA means directly input device, input output device is connected and they are sharing the data bypassing the CPU. That's why option C is the correct answer. Very good, everyone. Now tell me this one. In a multiprocessor system with private cache, which of the following mechanism is commonly used to maintain the cache coherence? Cache coherence is also a very important topic. These are common topic. Every time, every examiner is asking this common topic question. Cache coherence, instruction set, DMA, common topic. Yes. Very good. Snooping protocol. Right back here it is multiprocessor. In a multiprocessor system with private cache. It has the private cache. Which of the following mechanism commonly used for cache coherence? That is snooping protocol. Option B is the correct answer. Very good, everyone. Now tell me, OpenGL was released by what? OpenGL. What is the full form of OpenGL? Yeah. OpenGL is done by Silicon Graphics. OpenGL is Open Graphics Library. This is Open Graphics Library. Okay. Open Graphics Library. Yeah, option B is the Silicon Graphics. It is Silicon Graphics. Now tell me, scalable vector graphics by scalable vector graphics. See that this type of means little bit direct means static type question they ask. Scalable vector graphics. It is actually XML language. Scalable vector graphics is web friendly graphics. Okay. This is actually web friendly graphics. This one, scalable vector graphics, is web friendly graphics. So it is stands for like 2-dimensional vector images. It is supporting 2D vector images. 2D vector images. Okay. It is based on XML based. This is XML based. That's why it is XML language. It is XML based markup language. Stored image using mathematical formula based on point and line and grid. It is storing images using mathematical formula like points, line and grid. This allow the scalable vector graphics images to resize without losing quality. This is a advantage key. It is without losing quality. You can resize the image. And SVG support the sometimes you can get SVG also. So full form of SVG is scalable vector graphics. Remember that. So SVG support the interactivity, animation, scripting, CSS, JavaScript everywhere. Main use is web graphics, animation, user interface, print and hard output like this. These are the main topic. So make a note on this static topic. Maybe you can get question from in your exam also. all the details about SVMG. This is related topic. Note it down. Okay. Now, Unified Modeling Language, UML, is what? UML is what? Where we are using UML and what are the examples of UML? Answer. UML is programming language. Unified Modeling Language is a programming language, not. It is not a compiler at all. This is also wrong. This is not a compiler. Maybe it is wrong. Answer key, if it is given, then also it is wrong. It is not a operating system also. We can say that it is visual modeling tool, that is we can say. It is not a compiler at all. So software engineering, this can be answer. Programming language also not. Actually it is a general purpose modeling language. Okay, it is a general purpose modeling language what we are using for software engineering. In software engineering design purpose, UML we are using to represent visually. Actually we are representing visually whenever it is required. There are two types of UML. One is structured, another is structural UML and non-structural UML. Like some example I can say, like class diagram, use case diagram, class diagram, activity diagram, sequence diagram, all these object diagram, all these are example of UML diagram. So maybe in answer key it was wrong or something, but ultimate answer is this one. Visual modeling tool is the correct answer. Okay. Now tell me, do this. Constructor are not used in where? Where constructor are not used? Easy question, very easy question. Why delay in answer? Yeah, definitely C language, because these all are object oriented language. In object oriented language we are using constructor, right? C++, Java, these all are using, but C is not using constructor. Definitely option. Who is telling this? C is not using constructor. Definitely constructor is creating the space in the object. Whenever you are calling object through the constructor, you are creating the space, right? That is happening. C++, Java, C hash, everywhere. But in C there is no constructor. Now it is the very popular question, most popular question, the range. Always the short occupies 2 byte space. What will be the range? Means it is a most common topic, favorite topic. From this range, integer, short integer, positive integer, negative integer, means signed integer, unsigned integer. Multiple time different examiner asks this question. What will be the answer? Yes. Your answer is this one, because short occupied it is given, so it is positive, negative both. It is unsigned. You have to think about unsigned. When it is signed, then it is coming, always remember 0 to 2 to the power n, it is coming to total 2 to the power n minus 1, that is the range. If I am taking only positive part, means if it is unsigned one, but when it is signed means it is coming negative, 0 and positive. So whatever range you are getting, I have to divide by 2. That will be the answer. right? So half of the part is coming in negative part, half of the part is coming in positive part. That's why your answer is 2 byte means what? 2 byte means it is 16 bit. 16 bit means 2 to the power 16 is my total possibility. Half of the part, divide by 2, half of the part is coming negative, half of the part is positive, right? Okay. Forget. Yeah, GATE is on February, right? So I will try after January, because my planning was there, but this UGC NET exam postponed. That's why I am not able to take. But I am planning like that after 15 January. How many days will be there at that time? I will focus on February GATE. I will try to focus. But because of this exam came, that's why I'm not able to focus on GATE. So which operator cannot be overloaded in C++? Easy, very easy. This is also you need to remember, not only scope resolution operator, some other operator also. Can you tell me in the comment section what are the other operator? This is the scope resolution operator. Ternary operator also you cannot overload. And dot, this operator also you cannot overload. There are different overload, right? This is also you will be not able to overload. HPSC, so I already told. HPSC I already told these questions will be helpful. MCQ question will be fast focus on MCQ. This will be helpful for your HPSC also, definitely. Definitely, right? I already told these MCQs are helpful for PSC MCQs also. After that, to your descriptive question. Now, the valid statement about the XML. The valid statement about XML. Yeah. So all XML document must be DTD. DTD means what? What is the meaning of DTD? Can you tell me? Can you tell me what is the meaning of XML DTD? Who can tell me? Why? What is the meaning of DTD? All XML should be DTD. DTD means document type definition. Okay, document type definition. This is called DTD. Means all XML will be document type definition. Document type definition of the structure legal element of the attribute in XML, because XML you are passing like document type. That's why it is called document type definition. Okay, so this is valid. That's why option C is the correct one. Now tell me, we want to assign 100 to the first element of the following array. Select not acceptable. This is given the options and this is the array given to you. Conceptual question. Means you know the how to use array or not. That is only they are asking. You know that how to use array or not. And programming concept. Very good question. Very good question. Tell me quickly. Think and tell me what will be the answer. हो जाएगा कोमल, हो जाएगा. ये सब क्वेश्चन करने से ना आपका एक्सपीरियंस और क्वेश्चन हैंडल करने का तरीका आता है ना. देखो कितना सारा क्वेश्चन, सारे क्वेश्चन अलग अलग है. ये तो मेरा हॉबी है ना कि अलग अलग क्वेश्चन लेके आओ. ये तो मेरा हॉबी बन गया. कलेक्ट डिफरेंट डिफरेंट क्वेश्चन एंड डिस्कस दोज डिफरेंट डिफरेंट क्वेश्चन. What will be the answer? नहीं आ रहा है. Not able to do, ma'am. What is happening? हाँ, yeah. See that. What is happening here? Here actually they provide, this is the array given to you. Already this is the array given to you, okay? And I equals to 0, I equals to 1. That is the index given to you. Now actually it is asking you in the first element, means in the array 0. A0 you are trying to do 100. This is the array position already 10, 20, 30 and 40. It is already there. Now 0, 1, 2, 3. This is already. So in the 0 position already 10 is there. Now I is a variable. I variable is 1. So through the I, means ultimately AI, I want to put it. So through I have to do. So means I have to make I value equals to 0. If I am able to make I value equals to 0, then I will be able to assign. So here first I did I minus 1. I minus 1 means now I value is 0. I minus 1 means now I value is 0. After that I am putting A. So means here A0. It will be work like A0. It is actually working like A0 equals to 100. So it was given which one is not acceptable. So this one will be acceptable. Here this one is also working as A0. This one will also work as A0. That's why it is also working. Here what I am doing, I minus 1A. This is also working as A0. There is also not a problem. This is also working as A0. So this is also correct. But here what I did key A0, because see that the syntax, here is the problem. If I am writing A before, then 0 I have to write like this. 0 always I have to write like this in third bracket. But here what is the problem? A given in third bracket and 0 given this. It will be not legal. It will be not legal. There is a syntax, okay? Syntax wise you have to write, means here you have to write in normal way. Here you have to use third bracket. So here I have used third bracket. Here I am using index. So that's why this is allowed. This is also allowed. This is also allowed. But here whenever I am using A in third bracket beginning, then after that 0, this is not allowed. That's why this is not allowed here. Other than that, these all are allowed. Means ultimately these all are working like this. So you can try with your compiler also. Definitely today, now only try with your compiler that A0 and 0A, is it same, working same or not? Okay, this is a very conceptual question. Maybe most of you did not saw this type of question previously. Most of you. For me also this is the first time I saw this type of question. Here very basic knowledge of handling array is very important. I did not saw this question previously. I saw first time. I think you also, those who are watching, you also saw this question first time. So today only, now only try with compiler, see that yes it is working or not. Okay? Okay. Chalo. Now which of the following not a loop in C? It is so easy question. No need to ask also. Without asking you can do the answer. It is definitely until repeat. For, while, do, while, these are all. But until repeat is the correct answer. Now which of the following is computer graphics card? Yeah, these all here now. Tell me. Here actually all are Bezier curve, implicit curve, explicit curve. All are the curve. So all of the above. Correct. Collection of the concept that can be used to describe the structure of the database. Collection of the concept that can be used to describe the structure of the database. Thank you. Thank you, Saranya. But nowadays, Tamil people are waiting for Tamil language. So those who want to learn in Tamil language, they can go anywhere. We will not do in Tamil language. It is for sure. Yes, that is data modeling. Data model. It is called actually data model, right? Yes, very good. Now tell me, do this one. Database question. Now these are all database questions. To find the detail of all employees where salary is above rupees this, which of the following tuple calculus, this is tuple calculus, expression is correct? Most of the time you are thinking that when all of the above is there, this is my answer. So there is a video, right? I have uploaded a video for how to do tukka guessing trick. Before your exam, try to watch that guessing trick also. But always this guessing trick will not applicable. You are thinking like all of that the above is given. That's why this is my answer. Not at all. Tuple means you are focusing on the row. Which row? So you have to define that T is my row. This is the row you have to define. And now you are giving the condition for the T. What is T here? That is T greater than 5,000. And here you are doing this is also which tuple you are working, and T dot salary means each and everywhere T is the tuple you have defined. Now you are working on T and the condition also you are giving. Right. So here the definition is not there. You did not define T here. Here also not. That's why these are wrong. This is only the correct answer. This is the correct syntax of tuple calculus. These are not correct syntax. So tukka will not applicable always. Not applicable always. Okay. So do this one. Yeah, answer is coming. Here the easy question, this is derived. So here I want to write it one thing, previous question. For the tuple calculus, correct format is T then PT. This is the correct format for tuple calculus. T means this is the tuple, which tuple you are doing. PT is the logical formula. Here you are applying ultimately logic. Okay. This is the correct format for tuple calculus. So if you are not using this format, then this is wrong. That's why this answer is wrong. Okay. So write it down, tuple calculus, how to write. So ER diagram, derived attribute are represented by this. So in ER diagram, not only derived attribute, related topics you need to remember that weak entity we are defining like this, weak relationship we are defining like this. This is the dotted oval, that is derived attribute. What is the example of derived attribute? That is age. Because ultimately this is not an attribute, this is called derived attribute because this type of any attribute will be not present in database. Actually you have to derive it from the main attribute like date of birth. Okay, that's why it is called derived attribute. Weak entity, which one don't have any primary key, that is called weak entity. Weak relationship. And composite attribute is also there, like it is a collection of so many attributes. This is called composite attribute. Like address is a composite attribute. Multi-valued attribute, this is the symbol of multi-valued attribute, double circle. It is called multi-valued attribute. Phone number is the example of multi-valued attribute. These are very popular area. You have to remember all these symbol and all the examples also are related. Okay. Now tell me what is the answer for this one. Given the relational schema is given to you, this is the FDs are given, determine which of the dependencies shown below cannot be derived from the FD. You cannot derive from these FDs, that is the question. Means you have to get it. See that, how to do it. Actually from the closure you can do it. Here AC, okay, you can do that AC closure. From the A I am getting A, B. Now C is already coming. Now from the BC I am getting D. So from AC I am getting D, means from AC I can get D. No problem. Now I have to do B closure. If I am doing B closure, anything is not coming. Only B is coming. Because B, C together can derive D. Only B cannot derive D. That is not possible. AC can derive B, yes, because already I saw that through the AC closure I am able to get this all. So this one and this one is possible, but this is not possible. It was asking which one cannot be derived. This one cannot be derived. Through the closure property only you can do the answer. Okay, apply your mind in opposite direction. Now do this. Shall I continue or not? I know that those who are watching, they will watch. Maybe near about 1K learners will watch the class. Out of that, maybe 5 minutes, some people will watch 5 minutes. After that, they will not watch. Very less people, those who will ultimately want to get success, they will watch the complete class. But it's okay. Every time I am not getting time to come live. So whenever I am coming live, I got the time. Today I am free. My husband went to office. My daughter is in school. So that's why today I am free. Before 4 p.m. I can continue till 4 p.m. No problem. So a given population of the event or the item is partitioned into a set of similar element is known as what? That is clustering. This concept is called clustering concept, right? Yes. Now tell me, what is this? A database which permits the database system to store the history of changes and allows user to query both current and the past state of the database is known as what? different database questions. Different types of databases are there. This is called temporal database. Okay, this is called temporal database. All these database questions you can see here. Okay, see that these are all asking about advanced DBMS question. These are called advanced DBMS question. So from here only you learn that about temporal database. We have to learn about other database also. So what is spatial database? Learn that related topic. Spatial database in DBMS, actually it is working on support tracking and I am telling you about spatial database. Spatial database is the important and efficiently storing, index and query of the data basis on spatial location. This is basis on the spatial location. For example, suppose that we want to store a set of polygons. We want to store a set of polygons in the database, and to query the database to find out the polygons and the intersect of the given polygons. Then we cannot use the normal indexing such as B-tree or hashing. In this type of situation, we will go for spatial location, special purpose index structure. That's why it is called spatial. And here what type of tree we are using? R trees. R tree. This type of tree we are using. Two types of spatial database are there. Normally we are using two types. That is CAD, very known. That is computer aided design, and another is graphic data. Okay, this is about spatial database. Remember that, because related topics also you have to remember. Deductive database. What is called deductive database? Deductive database, another name is called DDB. Deductive database system use rule and fact. It is focusing on rule and fact to make the deduction. Rule and fact to make the deduction means you are mathematical deduction like that. Okay, so it is based on mathematical logic. Just now I told you it is based on mathematical logic. Okay, mathematical logic and are combined of AI. It is combination of AI, database and the logic. They are very powerful to manage the complex data, especially the data derived through recursion. Then we are using deductive database. Okay, these are important. Expert database is not that much. Actually, they give it. Expert database is not that much. Expert database is publicly accessible, growing online, growing global repository like this. These are called expert database. Okay. So expert database are actually focusing on publicly accessible, or growing online or global database. In this purpose, we are using expert database. So from one question only related, all the topics are important. Temporal database, spatial database, deductive database, expert database. All these topics are very, very important. Must go through it. Okay. Because next time maybe any other question can come. So here you saw that. I hope it is clear to everyone. Now see that. Which of the following also known as galaxy schema? Galaxy schema. All these questions are advanced DBMS questions. Yeah, as expected, maybe you don't know. So galaxy with the name came from constellation. Okay, you are we are checking constellation, right? Constellation in the in our sky, right? Kids are looking at. We are also looking at the sky for the constellations. So it is actually another name of galaxy schema is constellation schema. Constellation schema. So it is a data warehouse architecture. This is using for data warehouse. This is using for data warehouse architecture that use multiple fact table and the dimension table and the model complex data. It is extensive of the star and snowflakes member. Starflakes and snowflakes very popular. So star and snowflakes. This is using galaxy schema. So it is fact constellation. It is an extension of star and snowflake schema. Previously we was using starflakes and snowflakes. It is actually the extension version of starflakes and snowflakes. The some characteristics of this galaxy schema are multiple fact table, shared dimension table, confirmed dimension table, normalization and data quality, and reporting and analysis. This is the main focus. It is useful for complex data because they can lower data of redundancy will be there. That's why they are useful. So this is the main concept of galaxy schema. Related topic always learn. Not only question. From the question you should learn related topics so that next time whatever question are coming you can handle it. Okay. Again you can see in a data warehouse data source can be constructed using what? Yes. Data warehouse can be constructed using similar schema and data model, different schema and data model, similar schema and different data model. All these options are there in data warehouse. Now you can see dash is the main file that drives the map reduce process. Which one? Dash is the main file that drives the map reduce process. Yes, that is driver. Driver is actually the main file through which it is drives the map reduce process. Good. Next one, a database that has the set of associated trigger is known as. All these database questions they ask from advanced DBMS. No basic DBMS question. It maximum question they ask from advanced DBMS. Just see that. Yes, this is active database. The database has set of associated trigger. Means currently it is working. That's why it is called active database. Okay. So these are operating system question. For today I think it is enough. Is it okay? Or I should? For today, is it enough? I think so. Yes or no? Tell me. I can see that. If you are okay, as per your wish, I can go ahead. If you tell me, then I can go ahead. Yes. Okay. So tomorrow we will continue the remaining part. Okay? Yes. What is? Some more question. Continue. Okay. Let's go. Chalo, chalo. No problem. Continue. Okay. Good, good, good. Very good. Chalo, chalo, chalo. Let's do it. A system call invoked by what? The system call invoked by what? Yes, the system call invoked by always software interrupt. System call will be invoked. Who will call? Software interrupt will call the system call. Now you can see one question. This is a very good question. This question I think I saw in most probably this type of question in M8 set. They copy this question most probably from M8 set. Same type of question was there in M8 set, and now they ask the same type of question here. M8 set or UGC NET, maybe somewhere it was there. UGC NET also there was a previous year's question. So you can see that this is actually the deadlock question, deadlock, safe, unsafe. Using the algorithm you have to do. So try to do it, solve it. This is not a static question. You have to solve, then you have to answer. Take your time, solve it, then answer. I think in UGC NET maybe, yeah. Somewhere I saw that, maybe in UGC NET also. Suppose we have 12 identical resources, 3 processes P1, P2, P3. Maximum claim is given 10, 5, 3 respectively. Currently the processor P1 hold 8 resources, P2 hold 2 resources, P3 hold 1 resources. Now which one is correct here? This is using Banker's algorithm you have to resolve. You have to resolve it using Banker's algorithm. So 12 resources are there. It is given 12 identical resources and 3 processors are there. P1, P2, P3. Maximum requirement and future need you have to calculate. Actually you have to calculate like this. Maximum need, current allocation and future need. Okay, so for P1, P2, P3, P1, P2, P3, P1, P2, P3. Here you need to check it. What is the possibilities are there. Here you can see P1 maximum claim 10, 5 and 3. So 10, 5 and 3. Now you can see currently it is allocated already 8, P2 hold 2, P3 hold 1. This is your current allocation, right? Now see, now availability was 12. 12 identical resources means total 12 resources was available, it was given to me. 12 identical resources are there. Now already you allocated. Okay, 8 resources to already you allocated. Which of the following is correct? See, now what is my future requirement? I have to think about future requirement. For P1, future requirement is 8 minus 10, that is 2. Future requirement is 2 here. For P2, 5 minus 2, 3. For P3, 3 minus 1, that is 2. Now already you have allocated what? 8 plus 2 plus 1 means already 11 allocated. So total was 12 minus 11. So only 1 is now free. In my hand only 1 is free now. Other than that 11 already I have allocated. Now in this situation only 1 in my hand. Only 1 resource is available in my hand. Now in this situation, here these are your future requirement you can see. Now can you satisfy any one of them? Is it possible? Can you satisfy? The system is in safe state? Definitely not. Because future requirement any of them you cannot satisfy. Here it is required 2, here it is required 2, here it is required 3. Till now I have only one resource available. Using this one, any one of them you cannot satisfy. That's why definitely system is it not in safe state. Not. So option 1 is wrong. Definitely. Yes, the system is unsafe state. Definitely system is unsafe here. The minimum one more resource needed to take it safe. Yes. Because if I am adding more 1, then I will get 2. So then I can allocate this 2 to any one of them. Then I can solve it. Because if I am giving it to P1, I will get 2. I will give it to P1. P1 will complete the task. Then P1 will release these 8 resources. Then I can give it to P2 and P3, any one of them. No problem. That's why if I am getting one more extra, then it will be safe. This is also correct. The unsafe system does not imply exist deadlock. Does not imply exist deadlock means it is unsafe. But deadlock means for a long time this is a circular wait, then this is deadlock. But from the unsafe we cannot say it is deadlock. It is unsafe. But from the unsafe I can come back to safe state also by adding some resource or by preempting some resource or by killing some process. Anything I can do to resolve the issue. So if it is not resolved for a long time, then it will be deadlock. So unsafe means always not deadlock. Unsafe means you can go back to safe also by doing something. That's why this is also correct. So here option 2, 3 and 4 all are correct. This is a conceptual question, right? I hope it is clear. Now tell me, do this. So out of 100 questions, some of the question will be little bit time taking question. Some of the question will be direct question, easy question. Some of the question will be little bit higher level, advanced level question. Now tell me, one thread immediately terminate the target thread is called. One thread immediately terminates the target thread is called what? Yeah, This is called asynchronous cancellation. Immediately. Asynchronous means without any time. Synchronous means at the same time. Asynchronous cancellation means immediately it is doing. That's why it is called asynchronous cancellation, not synchronous. Now do. Deferred means later. Deferred means it is later. Always. Synchronous means at the same time. Asynchronous means it is not in a same clock pulse. Now tell me. Yes, here. Consider the situation where several processes access and manipulate the same data concurrently and the outcome of the execution depends on the particular order in which the access takes place. This is called particularly race condition. It is the definition of race condition. So definitely it is race condition. You can take a note. If this is race condition, take the notes and do the answer. Here it is numerical. TLB numerical. Very popular numerical from operating system. Do it. Option B is the correct answer. How to do? TLB formula is what? TLB heat ratio multiply into TLB access time plus main memory access time plus TLB miss ratio multiply into TLB access time plus 2 into main memory. Because why? Because whenever CPU is searching for that, first time it is searching in TLB, if the translation is available, means actually logical address to physical address translation it is asking. So if the translation is available, it is directly going to the main memory to get the page. If it is hit, if it is miss means translation is not available, then it is going to page table to find out the actual physical address. After that it is hitting main memory. But the access time of page table is also main memory access time, because ultimately page table is also stored in main memory. That's why at the time of miss you are searching in main TLB. After that page table, that is also main memory access time. Then you are coming to the main memory to get the fetch. This is the formula, and this formula is very important formula. So here it was given heat ratio is 98%. So you can do 0.98 multiply into 20 nanosecond to search in TLB means 20 plus 100 nanosecond to main memory, so it is 100 plus miss, it is 0.02% miss, multiply into TLB is 20 plus 2 multiply into main memory means 2 multiply into 100. This is your answer, right? So here you are getting 0.98 plus multiply into 120 plus 0.02 multiply into 20 plus 220. 220. So ultimately you are getting this answer or not? You are getting this one? Yes. I hope after calculation you will get this one. Confirm me once. Yes, we are getting this one. Confirm me once. Got it. Good. Okay. Acha, here I want to tell you something about synchronous and asynchronous cancellation. Understand that. What is synchronous and asynchronous cancellation? Actually, it is related to the difference between synchronous and asynchronous operation, which is characterized by the start and completion. Actually, you have to focus on start and completion of one task depends on another or not. Of one task depends on another or not. This is ultimately. So synchronous cancellation is what? What is synchronous cancellation? Here synchronous cancellation means a task can be executed when previous task is complete. So you cannot have two phone conversation together. That is called synchronous. Asynchronous is task can run simultaneously and one task completion does not depends on another. Okay. So in multi-threading programming, cancellation allow a thread to stop another thread from execution. The thread being cancelled can keep cancellation request pending on the clean. That's why here asynchronous cancellation is the thread can be cancelled at a time during its execution. Here execution was going on. Immediately terminate. A thread, one thread terminate another thread or cancel another thread means that thread execution was going on. At that time only it is cancelled. That's why it is called asynchronous cancellation. Deferred cancellation means the thread can only cancel at defined time. Any time you cannot cancel it. There should be a defined time. At that time only you can cancel. Deferred cancellation is default type. After some time it will be automatically cancelled. That is called deferred cancellation. Okay. So this is the difference between asynchronous and synchronous cancellation and deferred cancellation also. So remember that. So now this question is done. Now it is also another deadlock question. Another question from deadlock. Do it. A computer system has 6 identical resources. There are n processes competing for them. Each process have many 2 resources. What will be the maximum value of n so that system is deadlock free? Very popular question from deadlock. Very popular. Expected area. So those who are watching till now, you did not click on like button. That's okay. You can click dislike also. I have to ask for like, dislike, comment, share. Problem is that I am not able to do it. I am always busy in solving question and concept. That's why I am not able to do this business and not able to do these promotions. And that's why you are also not doing it. Right? You also forgot. Okay, let's learn and go. No need to do like, no need to do share, subscribe, comment. My work is done. Why? Like that only, right? So yes, what is this? Here you can see 6 identical resources, maximum need. Always this type of question you can solve using maximum need. Each process may need 2 resources. It was given. So maximum need is 2 here. What will be the maximum value of n? N is what? N is what? The computer has, there are n number of processes. How many processes are possible? That is the maximum. So where always maximum need is this. So worst case is max need minus 1. Max need minus 1. Right? So if I am giving everyone 1, 1, 1, 1, after that 1 in my hand, then there will be no deadlock. So P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Till now 1 in my hand because total 6 was there. Till now 1 in my hand. This is called a safe. This is called the safe one. Because whenever the worst case I am giving it to everyone. If I am adding P6, then it is not safe. Because everyone is waiting for 1, but that one is not available. That's why I cannot add 6. If I am adding 5 processes, I am giving everyone 1, 1, 1, 1. That is maximum need minus 1. And till now 1 extra is available to me. This 1 extra I can give it to anyone so that it will work. Then after that next one, then next one. So that there will be no deadlock. So maximum possible is 5 here. Sometimes students are telling that it is so directly we can solve through the formula. You can solve. But whenever little bit different types of question will come, then you will be not able to solve. So don't memorize the formula, understand the concept using maximum need and worst case so that any type of deadlock question you can handle. There are so many different types of deadlock questions are there. So if you are preparing properly, then anything you can handle. Okay. Now do this. After ending class, just come back for 1 minute and put a comment, that is how you feel. This good quality questions. Questions are good, new questions you saw that. So how you feel? If you can motivate me with your comment, then I will come with more new questions. Okay. Yeah. A critical region is what? A critical region is what? Not now. Do question now. After ending session, you can come back. A critical region is what? A program segment where shared resources are accessed. That is called critical region because critical means always sharing resource. Good. Now tell me, a virus that mutate with every infection is called what? This is a computer science question. Is this a computer science question? It is AI question. Is this a computer science question? This is called polymorphic virus. but I am thinking ki acha, it is which virus? It is computer virus. Is this computer virus or it is human virus? Okay, so it is called polymorphic virus. Okay, okay. Chalo. Now do this. The dash represent a commonly used group of code and source of the program. Do this one. Yes, that is macro. Macro represent the commonly used group of code in the source programming language. This is called macro. Yeah. Now, this is the last question. After that, I have to end. I will operating system, whatever questions are there, we will end. After that, operating system, all questions will be done. Then we will end. Okay. So this is the a system has a paging and segmentation. The virtual address space consists up to 8 segments, where each segment can be up to 229 byte long. The hardware page each segment into 256 byte page. How many bit in virtual address page are needed for the page number? So this is I am doing one thing. This is I am giving you as a home task. Okay, so do it and let me know in the comment section. Next session tomorrow I will take remaining question we will solve, and this question answer also I will give you. Okay, this question answer also I will give you, and tomorrow we will solve. Actually after lunch, that's why I am preferring to take the class in empty stomach. When my tummy is full, I am not able to sit that much. I have health issues. Those health issues are always bothering me. That's why I am not able to sit more. So many adhesions are there in my intestine. That is not curable. It cannot be cured. So I have to be with this lifelong. So that's why maybe sometimes students are thinking, sometimes you are thinking that I am telling I will come live, but I am not coming live. I am not taking class. There is some there are paid learners, right? Those who pay the money. Definitely I am bound to take class there. I am bound to take class. So that's why I am trying to save my health for them sometimes, so that at least morning, evening I can dedicate them. And whenever I am able to do, I am coming live. I am trying to take. It is not like that I don't want to take free session. It is not like that I don't want to come here. But actually sometimes my health is not supporting me. That's why it is happening. Okay, so today also I planned that I will take in empty stomach only, but I was feeling very hungry. That's why I take my lunch and I come. But tomorrow I will try to start class 1 p.m. so that 1 to 2, at least 1 hour or 1.5 hours I can take. Empty stomach is easy to sit for me. So that's why I am preferring early morning class, evening class, so that there will be no problem. Those who want to join, some students are asking lots of queries regarding this Unified Study paid course. Actually so many free mock tests are available. I will suggest you definitely attend these mock tests. These mock tests are helpful for you. I am trying to upload some more mock tests for you here in the free mock test section. Here in the free mock test sections also I will try to provide you some full length free mock test. Already one full length free mock test is there. I will provide you more 2 to 3 mock test, full length free mock test, where you can attempt this full length free mock test. It will be beneficial for you. Paper 1, paper 2 together. That is 3 hours mock test. Paper 1, paper 2 together. It is very, very, very important. Okay. So that's why, and those who are thinking that about paid course, see that our paid course is actually, we have started this paid course in the month of June. Okay, I don't prefer to launch different paid course. Whatever I can do, I will do that, and I will put my 100%. That is, I believe. So that's why in the month of June, I have started this course. Now we are going to end the course because January is the exam. So in the month of January, whenever exam will be over, the course will be over. So many queries are coming, ma'am, new batch, new course, crash course, PYQs course. I don't prefer to do that. Because before exam, at the last moment, if you are expecting that within 1 month everything will be done, it is practically not possible. Those who are doing business for business purpose, they are doing. I am not doing it for money, I am doing it for purpose. Unified study is my purpose, unified study is my passion. It is not my business. It is my passion. So teaching is my passion. I am trying to teach in a 100% way so that everyone can get it. That's why this paid course, if you are interested, you can join if you want to do practice. So many practice, mock test, live mock test, lots of different topic, whatever you want to focus before exam. Last minute preparation, if you want to do with me, then you can do it with live class. If you think that some of the classes you want to watch recording but is not there in live class, for that also you can join, because all the recorded courses are available, whatever we have completed till now. Other than that, those who are expecting that new course will launch, new thing will be there, no, that is not possible, because I am focusing on those who already prepared and now they are doing practice. So that's why there is no discount. Because if I am giving discount, so many learner will unnecessary will come and you will be not able to crack also. That is fact. So if you think that yes, now in this situation it is beneficial for you, definitely you can take it, because here you are getting lots of classes. Monday morning, evening I am taking class. So many practice we are doing here. Live mock test is there. Test series is there. Everything included, and PDF. So many PDFs are there. If you want, you can do it. Got it? Thank you. Bye. See you again. These all the comments, whatever you are doing, try to put in the comment section after ending the class. Come back. Take your 1 minute time. Put your comment. Bye everyone. See you again. Tomorrow I will try to start by 2 p.m. 1 p.m. 1 p.m.